Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring, stock reference number 3889. This shape runs from the second month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic all-wheel drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left front and both sides. We have the right hand LED headlight, right hand LED fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 19-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left LED tail light, left LED tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar supplied with 4 bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, both LED type. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror does have light scratches on the top edge. And right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone climate control heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.